What's up, everyone? Ben Samulak here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a big story, the fighting between two countries, Israel and Iran. This might sound far away, but it can change things like the price of gas and food or items you buy at the store. I'll explain it in a super easy way, and we'll look at how it could affect money in 2025, okay? Uh, Israel and Iran are two countries in the Middle East. Right now in 2025, they're fighting, of course, we see, it's in the news. Israel sent planes to attack some places in Iran, like some of their oil factories. Iran fought back with missiles. It's a big argument, but with weapons, and it's making people around the world very worried. You might be wondering why this matters to the US. The Middle East has a lot of oil, which is the fuel that makes cars and trucks and factories run. When there's fighting, it can mess up how oil gets to stores, and that'll change the price of a lot of things. First, let's talk about gas prices. Iran makes a lot of oil, and Israel attacks some of their oil places. If less oil comes from Iran, gas at the pumps could get more expensive. In June of 2025, oil prices already went up about 7% because of the fighting. That means filling up your car is going to cost more money. More expensive gas makes other stuff cost more too. For example, trucks that bring food to stores use gas. If gas costs more, going to restaurants might cost more, vacations might get pricier. It's like a chain reaction. Second, the fighting can make stores and jobs act funny. When there's a big fight, people get nervous and might not buy as much stuff like toys or clothes. If stores sell less, they might not need as many workers. In Israel, some companies already closed because of the fighting. That means it'll be harder for people to find jobs. Third, the fighting can make safe things more popular. When people are scared about war, they like to buy things that feel safe, like gold and dollars and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Gold prices went up in June of 2025 because of this. It's like when you save your money in your piggy bank instead of spending it. So, what might happen next? It depends on how long the fighting lasts. Here are three ideas of what could happen to your money in 2025. If Israel and Iran stop fighting soon, oil prices might go back down. That would keep gas and food prices from getting too high. The world's money would feel safer and stores could stay open. This is what everyone hopes happen. If the fighting lasts too long, gas might stay high and so could everyday items that we need like snacks and toothpaste and shampoo. Some stores might close and people will start worrying about money. In Israel, they're already spending a lot on the fight. About 34 billion in 2025, which is a ton of money. The worst case is if the fighting gets bigger and blocks a place called the Strait of Hormuz. That's a narrow path where a lot of the oil travel. If it closes, oil prices could jump way up, maybe to even $100 a barrel. That would make everything super expensive and people might have less money to spend. But experts are saying they don't think this is going to happen. This sounds scary, guys, but there's things we can do. First, talk to your family about saving money, like putting some money in the bank for later. Second, learn more about the world events by watching the news or reading books. Third, we want to try not to worry so much about this. It's in everybody's interest for the people in power to settle these things so we can keep things stable. Finally, and the best of all is don't forget to pray. Pray for the situation going on, guys. The fighting in Israel and Iran is a big deal, but we can stay smart, keep learning. In 2025, prices might go up a little, but if the fighting stops, things could get better fast. All right, so that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Now you know how the Israel-Iran fighting can affect money, gas, and stores in 2025. What do you think, guys? Have you noticed gas prices or food costing more as things been going up? Have you noticed that? Leave some comments down below about, your opinions. That all matters to me. I want to hear what you guys feeling is about the whole situation, the Israel, Iran, and how it could affect us. If you guys like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, support the channel. We will be doing a lot more videos on money and finance and investing. I have been part of the trading and education field for about 7 years, and recently I've been feeling more of just giving back for free what I've learned, helping people to be able to learn and get more educated and not be as financially illiterate, become financially literate, because I've noticed that people who are not, especially a lot of people in this country, we have not been taught financial literacy so that we can be taken advantage of. I believe so. And a lot of people I know, smart people, doctors and lawyers and just super smart people, just giving their money to some person and not asking questions and just kind of letting them, just do whatever with your money. So it's to me, it's kind of absurd. But when we're financially illiterate, that's what happens. So I want to help bring some literacy, and I'm not selling anything. I don't want to charge you guys. I just want to help people so that they don't get taken advantage. It's easier to get taken advantage by the institutions, by the banks, by a lot of these people online selling, trading, and education classes that don't even work. Hopefully, this video was, was helpful to you guys. Be sure to tune in next time. Ben Samuelak here. Hope you guys like the video. See you next time. Bye.